So I've always wanted a probe lens, you know, like when you watch those Lego shows and you see those really cool probe lens shots. Well, Sandmarc has created one for your smartphone and you can get shots like this. And that looks really cool for your smartphone. So, let me tell you all about it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and if you are new here, you like that kind of stuff, don't be a stranger to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Also, if you do like gadgets and gear, make sure you click that like button. YouTube will keep feeding you that kind of content. And I'll put links to everything down in the description. Plus, I do have a coupon code to save you some money, so you can check that out down there. And here it is, the Sandmarc probe lens. It comes in this nice long travel case, and it also comes with a nice little cloth bag. And also, you can choose which phone you have, and they will send a custom case designed for your phone, which has the screw threads over the lenses that you're gonna be using. And you can use your normal or even your telephoto lens. The probe lens itself is crafted from premium multi-coated and multi-element optical glass, delivering sharp footage with accurate colors and minimal distortion. It is a macro lens, but it also gives you a wide depth of field so you can keep more of the scene in focus. And speaking of focus, they actually have a focus wheel on here so you can actually adjust that and keep your subject sharp on the screen. There's also a built-in LED light on here to brighten up the darker areas that you might be probing. It's 12 inches long, and because it's narrow, you can get into spots that you can't get with your normal phone or any other cameras. Now, it's quite easy to screw this onto your phone case that you have, just like that, and you can just use your regular camera app. And you can either handhold it, but it might be a little bit tricky because it's long. But I think having a slider, or Sandmarc has this really cool desktop dolly, or you can even use the SlidePod, just making it that much easier to set up and control. But if you do handhold it, I'd suggest shooting it at a higher frame rate. That way you can like slow it down in post, making it look a lot more smooth. I also like to use the Ulanzi smoke machine to help liven up some of those scenes. But with all of that, it looks really cool. It's just a really fun thing to play around with, and you can just get some amazing footage like this, something I could never achieve with just my phone. So I really like this a lot. It's a really solid, high quality lens from Sandmarc. They just make really good quality products. But check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. Plus use my coupon code to save you some more money off that. If you're interested on this channel, I'm not here to try to sell you anything. I just want to show you the cool gear that's out there, show you what it does, show you my experience with it. And then if you're in the market for it, well, you know where to get it. But thanks again for watching today's video. I'm gonna keep playing with this. You'll see some of these cool probe shots on some of the products that I'm gonna be doing because this is just so cool. Other than that, if you wanna check out some other really cool gear, even how about like an old one from Sandmarc, I have that over here, and that desktop dolly. Yeah, and you can check out this video right here. YouTube thinks you'll like this one the best, but click one of these and I'll see you there. Bye.